I'm in Africa. Nice. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the heart of Morocco, aboard the country's premier rail service, ONCF. Join me as we discover why traveling by train in Morocco is not just a journey, but an experience that both enriches and enlightens. Hey, you pussycat. Is that a real cat? Casablanca's Mohammed International Airport houses a train station that offers passengers a convenient and effective means of transportation to and from the airport. This train station, part of the ONCF network, is located directly beneath the airport, providing easy access for travelers looking to reach Casablanca's city center and other destinations across Morocco. The station features clear signage, ticket vending machines, and ticket counters where passengers can purchase tickets for their journey. Trains from this station connect to Casa Voyageurs and other main train stations. Check this out. Everything made out of real marble. Is it a real cat or a fake cat? Our journey begins here at the Mohammed V Airport in Casablanca, where the hustle and bustle of modern life blends with century-old traditions. But our destination is the iconic Hassan II Mosque and maybe the beach. How are we getting there? By the legendary ONCF train, of course. Take cleaning here to another level. Everything is spotless. I really wish the whole world could learn from that. For just $11 or around 110 Moroccan dirhams, you're not just buying a ticket to travel, you're unlocking the door to an experience that both affordable and unforgettable. Let's dive into why this journey is a must-do for everyone visiting Morocco. Anyways, it's much cheaper than taking a taxi to the center of Casablanca. Some more cleaning, and this time with her daughter, showing the next generation how it's done. Oh, they heard me. Sorry. Here we go. Here we go. The ONCF is the backbone of Morocco's public transportation. With a rich history that spans decades, it connects distant cities and remote villages, weaving through Morocco's diverse landscape like a thread through fabric. And it's not just about getting from point A to point B. This train is a moving testament to Morocco's commitment to cleanliness, safety, and hospitality. Every inch of this carriage speaks volume about the pride Moroccans take in their rail system. Speaking of hospitality, the warmth and friendliness of both the train staff and passenger is a sharp, heartwarming contrast to what many of us might be used to back in the States. It's a reminder that sometimes the journey can be as beautiful as the destination. There's bathrooms, and it's clean like everything else. Grand marble countertop. Marble countertop. As we glide through the Moroccan landscape, it's impossible not to marvel at the beauty of Africa. Yes, Morocco is in Africa, a continent of unparalleled diversity and history, and right now, we're traveling through its very heart. Uh oh, we're getting close. And just like that, we've arrived at Casablanca's Central Station, the end of our journey, but just the beginning of a Moroccan adventure. This train ride, with its impeccable service, affordability, and sheer of kindness of its people, is a lesson in hospitality and efficiency that many countries, including the good old USA, could learn from. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious soul seeking new adventures, Morocco's ONCF train offers more than just a ride. It offers a journey through the heart of a country that's as welcoming as it is beautiful. And who knows, it might just change the way you see the world. It did to me. Highly recommended for anyone looking to discover the magic of Morocco in comfortable and style. Casablanca's central train station, known as Casa Voyageurs, is a major transportation hub in Morocco's large city, Casablanca. It is key part of the Moroccan rail network, offering connections to numerous destinations across the country, including Marrakesh, Rabat, and Fez. The station underwent significant renovation and modernization efforts, which were completed in recent years, making it a modern, effective, and user friendly facility for travelers. Casa Voyageurs is well equipped with ticket offices, information desks, cafes, and shops, ensuring a comfortable and convenient travel experience for passengers. It also serves as an important interchange for the city's tram system, further enhancing its role as a central mobility hub in Casablanca. Thank you for joining me in this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, arrivederci ragazzi. In the street down there, full of palm trees. I got a friend that says they're all from Dubai.
Taxi. Taxi.
Look at this beard. Do I look like I'm Moroccan? Now we're going to Casablanca's Instagrammable place or whatever. I'm going to the lighthouse, and I'm going over there, and I'm going over here. That's where we're going. What the fuck is this? Oh, here we go.